This is an installation video on a 1967 Chevelle quarter extension, which looks like this. The parts are the quarter extension, the taillight bezel, the taillight lens. When there are 4 bolts that you have to remove that's inside your trunk area. Once you remove these bolts or nuts, then the bezel comes off and the taillight lens comes off. Once you put it back in, if you need to, buy yourself some new taillight bezel seals, which go right here. They're U-shaped, long U-shaped rubber seals. Soft Seal makes them. Attach them back to the quarter panel extension. This has a Digitales LED panel, so I had to remove the entire lens bezel, and these take 7/16 inch speed nuts or PAL nuts. The nuts are available from AMK Products, part number G4506, so remove these speed nuts. To attach the quarter panel extension, you would have to purchase this quarter extension seal, and it goes, you just firmly attach it to here. The seal keeps the water and debris from entering the housing. Now you can attach the quarter extension to the body of the car through these 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one broke off. Once these protrude through the trunk area, you can replace the nuts, but if you need to buy new ones, AMK also has these nuts, part number G6343. Once you attach this to the body, you will place a metal washer, then this seal, and then the sombrero hat nut, and this will tighten everything. And that's the proper sequence: metal washer, seal, sombrero. Some people, they buy caulking instead, but this kit comes with everything on it. And this rubber seal will also keep the gas fumes and water from entering. I hope that helps you people on how to attach the quarter extension.